Hello everyone, Tynker is back with another special selection of community highlights for this week. First up we have Impossible Battle by Gorb. Looking at Gorb's code, we can see some set part blocks, when actor collides blocks, and make invincible when collected blocks for the power-ups. Do your best to defeat the enormous army. Next we have Speedy Guy by Lovable Pumpkin. In this code we can see some repeat blocks, switch to costume blocks, set effects blocks, and forever blocks. Race through the streets and avoid any obstacles in your path. Here we have Building Space Alpha 1.1 by Full Mug. In the code we see set X and Y center blocks, forever blocks, when I receive blocks, and go to X and Y blocks. Build and customize your own spaceship and take it out for a test ride. And lastly we have Purple Dress Up 101 by Unwilling Anteater. In the code, we can see if-then blocks, forever blocks, and set layer blocks as well. Dress up your character in all shades of purple. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can code awesome projects like this on Tynker. See you next time.